team plan over here for Manchester United. No shop. And it started. It's Sahil. Essen with an early start already. And Manchester United will attack first. It's Essen. Brilliant from Essen. Now it's Sahil. Oh, brilliant from Umar Ali. It's Essen. Oh, brilliant defense over here. It's now Murtaza against Mayang. And now forward. And oh, it's 1-0 for Bayern Munchen. And Murtaza opens the scoring in the Champions League. Now the game resumes and Afan is benched. Brilliant from Sahil, getting through the whole defense of Bayern. It's now Essen. A 1v1 opportunity over here. It's Essen. Gives it to Sahil. It's Sahil now. What can Sahil do? Gives it back to Essen. It's Essen. Brilliant opportunity for Manchester United over here. But they just can't finish it. It's now Murtaza. Brilliant opportunity and it's corner now. So Sahil gives it to Essen. It's now Essen. A brilliant opportunity. Oh, it's corner. It's Shahid. Horribly wide. Umar Ali going for the chappal instead of the ball. It's Sahil gives it to Essen. Oh, it's 1-1. It's clear goal. And it's now Manchester United who equalizes it over here. It's Dhawan. Oh, gets it through the legs of Sahil. It's Murtaza. Goal! And it is 2-1. And Murtaza is absolutely on fire. To take the corner, he gives it in. Zoya. A brilliant block over there by Essen. It's now Asif. Oh, Asif. Oh, what a save by Shahir. Murtaza has plenty of options, but he just decides to fall. It's Murtaza still with the ball. It's Essen now. Essen. Oh, what a save by Shahid. Oh, and it's in. And it's Essen with a brace. It's Shahid. Oh. Oh, what a pass to Sahil. And Sahil, oh, he's missed it. Essen wins the ball over here. It's Essen against Zoya. And it's Sahil, and he's horribly missed it over there. It's Essen. And Sahil this time it's in. And Manchester United are in the lead for the first time today. So she's on a yellow card right now. Sahil against Umar Ali. Brilliant from Sahil. And Zoya clears it. And Asif. Oh, what a goal! What a goal by Asif. And it is 4-2. Asif, can you do some crazy celebration? You scored such a crazy goal. It's Murtaza. Oh, easy. Oh, it's goal. I think it's Umar Ali's goal. And it is 4-3 for Bayern now. Oh, what a celebration. Mayank clears it away. It's now Sahil and Essen. A 2v1 situation over here. Sahil gives it to Essen. It's Essen. Oh, what a save by Shahid. Still in. And it's now Murtaza and Umar Ali. End up for the... Oh, it's... Oh. Umar Ali steps up against Essen. Foul. Yellow card to Umar Ali. It's Zoya now. Murtaza. Umar Ali. Oh, it's a brilliant save by Asif over there. And Mayank clears it away. It's Sahil. Essen. Oh, what a touch by Essen. Essen gets through the keeper and brilliantly scores. And it is 5-3 to Manchester United. It's Shahir. And it's... Sahil against Murtaza. It's Sahil. Oh, what a pass to Essen. It's Essen. A brilliant opportunity. Can he find a goal here? No, he can't. Oh, his own teammate blocked. Hey! You were out of the D. Free kick. So it's free kick for Bayern once again. Shahir goal. And it is 5-4 now. Oh, wonderful defending. It's Murtaza now. Oh, Murtaza. Prr, prr, prr. Half time. And it's horribly wide. It's Hassan who steps up to take the corner. He gives it in, no goal. It's Shahir now. Into the hands of Sahil. Murtaza, oh, Hassan wins it. It's Hassan. Hassan. It's Murtaza now. Oh, it's goal. Goal. And it is 5-5. And Murtaza has equalized it over here. And that's a brilliant save by Sahil. Hassan. Hassan, goal! And it is 6-5. Shahir and Hassan with a goal once again. Oh, okay. Hey guys, he's going crazy right now. Zoya! Oh! Zoya! For the ball! It's Hassan. Hassan. Oh, yeah. And it's goal. And it's 7-5. You want to be a hero. You want to be a friend. Eh? It's clear out. Red card. Out of the game, red card.
Guys, please go.
Murtaza. He misses. Mayank. Okay. Prr, 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 full time.